Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Chiller channel. Here we're talking about the complex things in simple words. Here I share my knowledge, how to make money in cryptocurrency world and feel free. Today we will analyze a new and very promising GRO protocol project. First of all, this project can be interesting to those people who are engaged in stablecoin farming. There is little information for speculators, but I recommend you guys to watch this video until the end. So another cool and promising project will pop up on your radar and you can make money on it. So let's get rolling!
First of all, let's figure out what GRO protocol is and why we need it. The protocol is a tool for increasing the profitability of stablecoin farming and reducing risks. Maximum risk reduction, which no other protocol currently provides. I agree guys, it sounds ambitious and not very believable. We all know how every crypto project claims it is the most. In fact, in most cases we see a copy of what already exists, something that is not always of high quality. But here, the situation is different. GRO has created a tool that allows you to choose between maximizing your profits and minimizing your risks. In other words, this is a protocol for those who want to farm stablecoins automatically and with low risks. How did the creators of the project manage to achieve this? Let's figure it out. To get a dashboard access, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet with the app. GRO offers two investment instruments, PWRD and Vault. The first instrument is Sablecoin. Not even that. The first instrument is potentially the most stable stablecoin on the market. To put it simply, it's a kind of compound coin that includes DIA, USDT and USDC, the three most popular and stable stablecoins at the moment. To deposit funds, we need to specify an equal number of DIA, USDT and USDC tokens and click on the deposit button. On the right, we will see how many PWRD tokens we will receive. In other words, if we enter 100 USDC, 100 USDT and 100 DIA, then we get a total of 300 PWRD tokens. The protocol is set up so that even serious problems on the side of any of its compound parts are not that bad for the PWRD holders. For example, if something happens to USDT, PWRD holders do not suffer financially. The only thing you have to do is to pay for this at a rather low APY. At the time of recording this video, it was about 5.5%. On the other hand, it's a small fee to farm a coin that is more stable than giants like USDC and USDT. What do you think about these guys? Share your thoughts concerning the protocol in the comments. Of course, the first question that any investor has: how is the stability ensured? After all, if one of the coins from the PWRD is turned off, how can this not affect the profitability and stability of the entire protocol? This is where the second tool, Vault, comes into play. To some extent, it's an LP token, but the token, which is very smart, GRO using Vault automatically search the market for the most profitable and least risky offers for the farming at the moment. Those Vault holders get a good APY for such low risks. But you also have to pay for this, and this is where the fun begins. If for some reason PWRD holders start to incur losses, for example a drop in the price of USDT or a problem with their protocol, these losses are covered by Vault holders. It's simple. Those you decide what is the more important for you at the moment: maximum protection of your assets or higher income. At the same time, you can invest funds for any period, whether it be several days or several years. In this case, there are no restrictions, as there would be with a saving account. In fact, Vault holders take a portion of the PWRD holders' profits, ensuring their financial security for this service. And the cherry on top is that Vault profitability increases as PWRD grows. A management token is also planned. For more details on how the protocol works, follow the link in the description. The project is moving towards complete decentralization, which is good news. Actually, we can buy the management token in order to earn money. After all, not everyone here is planning to do farming, right? It's important that early investors and the team will receive all their tokens within 3 years. At the same time, for the first year, these tokens will be completely blocked. Only 5% of total supply, 5 million GRO, was allocated for the launch of the management token. I hope, guys, everything is clear with the protocol. Now let's move on to investors. And here the situation is even more interesting. First of all, among the backers of the project, we see 3 Arrow Capital, which is already a very good signal. From the top funds, we also see Variant and Robot Ventures. As you can see, guys, the big players have high hopes for this protocol.
Okay guys, let's summarize what do we have here. An excellent product that will definitely find its place in the market, top investors, the full prospect of decentralization. Sounds cool, huh? What do you think? By the way, the protocol itself is already working. If you prefer to farm the stablecoins, you can do it just right now, guys. It's an amazing feature, just go on. All the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon!